Good job, buddy. Okay, turn around.
Nice and easy turn, not hard. Good job, George. Now you can crank your legs a little harder. Crank them like you're going up a hill. Don't move your arms too hard. Whoa! Nice crash! Are you okay? Good job.
Hey, George, tell me, what was it like to ride your first time?
Good.
Are you going to get right back up? Is this your new bike?
Yeah. Talk about it. Was it easy?
Show me your new bike. Tell me about your new bike. It's got white tires. Whoa. Good job. High five.